Morning traders, and this is your DAX daily review. So starting off on the weekly, we've still got a fairly strong green bar forming on the weekly, and it could end up to be a piercing pattern. Now, I'm not entirely sure because this last week bar, which closed on its low, engulfed the previous 3 weeks. Okay, and if I look at the monthly, we do have a range bar that's forming on the monthly at this stage. So I'm still of the opinion that this head and shoulders here is going to play out. This long bar here is incorrect data, so ignore that. We haven't hit the target. The target is further down, and for me this is just a retest of the alligator breakout on the monthly. You'll pick it up sort of on the weekly. You can see we bounced off the 200, but we're going to have to get back above this neckline here for me to change my tune at the moment. Okay, so looking at the 4 hour, you can see we had a lot of indecision and then these big swings up or down, up, down, up. Now this is just continuation of the indecision. Alligator is flattening out. We could see this as a retest, but in order for that to happen, we'd need to get below this fractal level here. Okay, so I'll pop down to the 1 hour, and you'll see on the 1 hour we can just tidy it up. We've got this fractal to the downside, and then we have this fractal to the upside. And those are the two fractals we need to get a clear break below. Okay, and you can see at this stage we haven't had any clear break above or below. So those are the levels that we need to worry about right now. A little bit clearer than what we can see on the Dow Jones. And yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. We're going to need a break above or below for me to start looking at this. Yesterday was just big down, big up, big down, big up. Complete indecision. Nobody really knows what's going on at the moment. Just drop down to the half hour, see if we can get anything different. Nothing really different. Bias is a little bit to the upside because we are above the alligator at the moment, but look at how we were up and above, up and below the alligator yesterday. No clear direction, and I think that's something which I'm not really interested in trading at this stage. So if we just have a look at the futures market right now, DAX futures is down 11,426. I'll put a level in here, 11,426, somewhere around there. 11,424, that's good enough. So we're kind of in the middle of this range at the moment. Okay, so any price action, something similar to this, around this area is a long, and you want to take profit up here, and you probably want to be taking a short off the 200 moving average on the half hour. But that is your range that you're in at the moment, so that's what you need to trade. If you do get a bit of a pullback and a higher low, that will definitely be an opportunity for a long. And you can see here we did form a higher high here, but then we've got a lower low here. So this could also be seen as a head and shoulders forming. So here's your shoulder, here's your head, and here's your other shoulder. Okay, 50-50 call whether we're going to go up or down. So in situations like this, I'd much rather wait for the breaks and then trade the retest of the break, which basically means you may not get an entry today or even tomorrow, and you may have to wait till next week. But anyway, that's my view on this at the moment. Sitting tight, not wanting to put money on the table until we break through this range. Okay, so there we go. Short and sweet. Nothing else I can add to the DAX right now. Hope it helps somebody, and stay safe and enjoy your day. Cheers for now.